The Bible reading is from Job chapter 22, verse 27 and 28. Thou shalt make thy prayer unto him, and he shall hear thee, and thou shalt pay thy vows. Thou shalt also decree a thing, and it shall be established unto thee, and the light shall shine upon thy ways. As you call upon God, he says he will answer you, he will be with you in trouble, and he will deliver and honor you. You also love the Lord because he hears your voice and your prayers. Bless the Lord which has not turned away your prayer or his mercy from you.